In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Forex watch list for beginners using TradingView. TradingView is one of the most popular platforms among traders, offering a comprehensive suite of tools to analyze markets. And today we're going to focus on setting up a Forex watch list, a crucial component of effective trading. First, you'll need to navigate to the TradingView website. Once you're there, proceed to the chart section, which is at the heart of the TradingView interface. For those unfamiliar, this is where you'll spend most of your time analyzing various financial instruments. The trading chart provides you a visual representation of price movements, which is essential for making informed decisions. Upon entering the chart section, the next step is to locate the Watch List tab. This is typically found on the right-hand side of the interface, marked clearly to catch your attention. Watch lists are a vital feature on any trading platform because they help you track and manage the assets you are interested in without having to sort through the entire market every time. Now, once you have the watch list tab open, look for the option that says Add Symbol. This function allows you to manually add various financial instruments you're interested in tracking. Imagine it like creating a personalized list of your favorite items. Only in this case, it's your preferred currency pairs. Click on Add Symbol, which will present you with a range of different markets and instruments available on TradingView. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to focus exclusively on Forex, which is the market for currency trading. You'll find Forex listed among the various options. Click on it to continue. At this stage, you'll be able to see a wide array of currency pairs. This is where you get to pick and choose which currencies you want to keep a close eye on. Consider what currencies you trade most or are interested in analyzing. Simply click on each currency pair you want to add to your watch list and they will appear in your list, ensuring you can monitor price changes and trends as they happen. That's essentially how you create a Forex watch list using TradingView. With these steps, you'll have a neatly organized set of currency pairs you can continuously monitor. This not only saves you time, but also allows for more consistent, focused analysis. Remember, the key to successful trading is having the right tools and using them effectively. Adding a specific set of instruments to your watch list is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your trading strategy. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Keep practicing, and your efficiency in managing your trades will surely improve. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!